I don't many of you don't know what this is called. I'm going to tell you. It's not a mystery. Although there are different mysteries hidden in this guidance. I know you don't know what this is called. So there is no mystery in this guidance. Just that you tend to hide some mysteries because some mysteries are not meant for your consumption. If you consume them, you may want to go ahead to do some things by yourself. So you tend to unveil these things. So if you want to know what this thing is called, I want you to log on to my YouTube channel at Crafted Vision. And then you see what this is called. However, this day made for this we get to know the tools and the that we do use for our construction. So this is called a square, as we popularly know it to be. Then it is usually called a giga square. And this square helps us to get the correct square angle, 90 degrees for your structure. As you can see, like this, if it's like this, it's 90, if it's like this, it's 90, if it's like this, it's 90. Anyhow you turn it, you will definitely achieve an 90 degree and a triangle. That makes it a rectangle, but it can also be a square. Now, we usually put this on the block for a perfect square junction. As you can see, so we use this to get the width of the lens, and we use it to get the breadth. And so whenever it is in alignment like this, it simply means that the angle is correct. Whenever you see it like this, the angle is correct. If peradventure the angle is not correct, you find out that there is a deficiency. Usually when you put it in the angle is not correct, there's a deficiency here. And that deficiency can make your house or your building not to be aligned properly. So with this tool, any engineer, any architect who have this tool on site will be able to get the appropriate angle before the bricklayer will not come to put the lining. This is a lining, and this helps them to do the layout, a proper layout. And you can see this is a typical example of a proper layout. So these are things that happen on site that some of the mysteries that will be unveiling. Some of them will be really more secret to you. I love you guys, and I know you know I love you. That's why I want you all to know this powerful secret that we are unveiling to you. Thank you.
Hands in hand, we pave the way. Innovation guides our day. From floor to ceiling, stories told. In every structure, truths unfold. Steel and glass, a work of art. We pour our love in every part. Brick by brick and stone by stone. Vitex magic on its own. Crafting cities, lighting stars. Sky's the limit, we go far. From idea to grand design. At Faith Tech we redefine.